Hello dear students, welcome back to mathematics class. Already you know on 19th of January you are going to write your periodic test exams and you have a 40 marks exam. 40 marks, total 40 marks are there. Among that you have, in that exam you have 1 mark question, 2 mark question, 3 marks questions and 4 marks questions as well. In today's class I am going to revise here 1 mark questions. Before that I will tell you how many lessons I am giving in periodic test exam. So the first one is patterns and symmetry. Second is metric measurements and one more is time and temperature. Okay, time and temperature and one more is mathematics in daily life. Mathematics in daily life. So this all examples you are going to this all lessons you are going to get in your periodic test 3. So well prepare for your periodic test exam. So first one is patterns and symmetry, metric measurements, time and temperature, mathematics in daily life. So in today's class I will discuss only 1 mark questions, very important questions, and that you will get in your exam. So the first question is draw a line of symmetry. Draw a line of symmetry. So the first question is draw a line of symmetry to the following figures. So I will take here A and here one more, that is I will take here 6 side figure. Okay, next question is 1 kg is equal to, second question is 1 kg is equal to dash grams, and this question is related to metric measurements. Next, third question is 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter. Fourth question is add 125 meter 20 centimeter and 46 meter 96 centimeter. So fifth question is here subtract 24 liter 516 ml from here it's 214 from 406 liter 356 ml. So now I will discuss here 5 questions. So here draw a line of symmetry. Already you know line of symmetry means which divides the given figure in 2 equal hollows. For that we are calling what? Line of symmetry. Okay, so just draw here one line of symmetry. So whatever now I have drawn, no, they are called line of symmetry. I can here only you can cut in only vertical line of symmetry. Here vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry, both are there. So next question is here 1 kg is equal to how many grams? Then tell me how many grams are there? 1000 grams are there. Yes, 1 kg is equal to 1000 grams. Next, 1 meter is equal to how many centimeter? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So these are very important questions which you are going to get in your periodic test exam. So next question is add 125 meter 20 centimeter 46 meter 96 centimeter. First you have to write meter and centimeter. You write meter one side and centimeter one side. 125 meter 20 centimeter. Next 46 meter 96 centimeter. So what is there? Add means you have to put here addition sign and add here. 0 plus 6 is 6, 2 plus 9 is 11, 5 plus 6 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here you write 1. So the answer is 172 meter 16 centimeter. Okay, so these are this kind of 1 mark questions you will get here. Next here, what is their question? Subtract 214 liter 516 ml from, here what is there? From 406 liter 356 ml. See it here students, wherever you get from, no, the second number you have to write first and the first number you have to write second. And here 406 liter is there and here 240 liter is there. So obviously you have to write this number first. So here also you write liter one side and milliliter one side. Right here 406 and here you write 356 ml minus 214 and here you write 516 ml. So just do subtraction here. 6 minus 6 is 0, 5 minus 1 is 4 and take here 1 carry, it becomes 13. 13 minus 5 is, yes, 13 minus 5 is here 8. 6 minus 4 is 2, 2 minus 1 is 1, 0 minus 1 not possible, take carry, 10 minus 1 is 9, 4 minus 3 is 1. So dear students, if you know addition and subtraction, you can do these examples easily. But there you will get direct questions here in meter, liter, kg, this kind of examples you will get. Okay, so next move to sixth example. So very important 1 mark questions. So next here, sixth question, what is there here? Sixth question, and that is 53 kg 290 gram is equal to gram. Seventh one, and that is 1 year is equal to, 1 year is equal to dash months. This related to time lesson. 1 week is equal to, 1 week is equal to dash days. Next, 1 hour is equal to, 1 hour is equal to dash minute. Next question is 1 day is equal to, 1 day is equal to dash hour. 1 day is equal to dash hour. Next, here you are going to get some formulas. I will ask question here. Write the formula to find profit. What is the formula to find profit? Next question is, what is the formula to find loss? Okay, so here for sixth question is 53 kg 290 gram. Already you know 1 kg is equal to how many grams? 1000 grams. Then 53 kg is equal to, what we have to write here? 53 into 1000 plus 290 gram. So 1000 you have to write here, 53,000 gram plus 290 gram. After adding this, I will get here 53,290 gram. So here you write 53,290 grams as the answer. Okay. So you do this as a rough work and directly you write here answers. This kind of you will get 1 mark question or you will get in 2 marks also. So 1 year is equal to dash months. For example, if you get 1 mark means directly you write directly write answer, and if you get 2 mark question means you need to solve these steps. 1 year is equal to 12 months. Already you know January, February, March, how many they are there? 12. 1 week is equal to how many days? 1 week is equal to 7 days. January, February, not January, February, Sunday, Monday, how many are there? 7. In 1 hour, how many minutes are there? 60 minutes are there. And in 1 day, how many hours are there? 24 hours are there. Dear students, time lessons, very in time lesson I taught clearly. So what is the formula to find profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So dear students, these are the 1 mark questions which you are going to get in your periodic test exam. So do prepare for your exam and practice this all the examples. See here I have discussed more than 12 examples, and among them you will get 7 questions in your periodic test exam. This time please be serious with your studies, do practice in home, solve neatly and send it to my WhatsApp number. I hope today's class is clear to you. Thank you.